Hello. In this video, we will cover the difference between the role of a project manager and the role of a program manager. To understand how these roles differ, we first need to consider what the differences between a project and a program are. I think most people will agree constructing this house would be a project. But what would people call this multi-story office block? Some may say it's a big project, but most would consider it a program because it's far more complex and would take a lot longer to build. This additional complexity and time leads to greater risk. Projects are clearly defined and traditionally they have been described by considering time, cost, and quality. Unexpected things happen during a project which require change, but most of those are fairly foreseeable and certainly manageable. The main activity of the project manager is to manage a team to deliver an output, for example building a house. So the key roles or duties are: to plan and develop the project, coordinate work, manage risks, monitor progress, and evaluate project performance. The project being worked on may be part of a larger program of work. For example, it could be one house in a new housing development and the project manager could be required to keep a program manager informed of progress. So, what exactly is a program manager and what do they do? Many of the duties and roles are similar. But the program manager has a team of project managers to manage the individual components. The program manager is more focused on the external environment. As the program can take longer and has more complexity, there is likely to be more change. Changes in things such as price, shortages of skilled people and materials, as well as changes in legislation, the operating environment, technology, etc. In short, the program manager has to be much more comfortable dealing with change and uncertainty. To summarize, project managers deliver well-defined manageable solutions. Program managers coordinate the delivery of a group of projects in a VUCA world. For more information about APMG project and program certifications, visit apmg-international.com.